Hi dear aspirant. So next concept in vowels, the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. So previous first concept we are discussing in vowels, each stroke having preceding side and following side. Stroke left side preceding, stroke right side following. So next concept, each stroke having first place and second place and third place. So stroke initial point first place, middle one second place, end one third place. So same, preceding side and following side same. Second place, third place. Here now we are discussing about vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. So in vowels, two types of vowels are there. There are two vowel sounds. Dot vowels and dash vowels. In this dot vowel having light dot, thick dot. In this dash vowel, light dash, thick dash. So in vowel sounds there are two types of vowel sounds are there, dot vowels and dash vowels. In this dot vowel, light dot and thick dot. Dash vowel also light dash, thick dash. So this one. So here, what is this thick dot first place? Inside indicated first place. Which of pronunciation or sound, and second place which of pronunciation, and position of writing what we are discussing. So let's see thick dot vowels. Here today only we are discussing about thick dot vowels only. Vowels chapter most important. Carefully listen. First, each stroke having preceding side and following side. Each stroke having first place, second place, third place. Next, vowels two types are there. Dot vowels and dash vowel. And thick dot, light dot, thick dot. Light dash, thick dash. So let's see thick dot. So thick dot vowels. Thick dot vowel sounds. So stroke, any stroke first place indicated thick dot. स्ट्रोक फर्स्ट प्लेस में थिक डॉट इंडिकेट करे तो विच प्रोनाउंसिएशन आ रहे आ, साउंड इज आ. सो एच इंग्लिश अदे हिंदी में सो सेकेंड आ साउंड रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे. सो पोजिशन ऑफ राइटिंग मीन्स हाउ टू राइट. सो एक्चुअली we are writing previous P. So all strokes are on the line. So P, T, Ch. P, T, Ch, K, like. So P, T, P, Ch. So we are writing on the line, any stroke, previous chapters. But here we deciding based on sounds, we were writing position of writing. So stroke first place indicated thick dot. Which sound are a? A and a sound represented. So position of writing means position of writing above the line. Above the line means don't touch the line. So when thick dot, when first place vowel sound are a, that time don't touch the line stroke. So let's see example. So pa means P stroke is there. So a sound following P. So P की following side this one stroke है. So following first place में thick dot indicate करे तो so P place A, pa. Clear? So first place A sound is there na. So that's why don't touch the line. Clear? Next आप means preceding side है, पहले आ रहे sound. That's why indicating preceding side वो indicating vowel sound. So pa. Next palm. So PM. So palm, which strokes are there? Palm, PM. So P followed again A sound. So P following side फर्स्ट प्लेस में थिक डॉट इंडिकेट करे तो सो पी प्लस आ पा प्लस एम पाम सो पाम दैट्स वाई palm. So next balm. Balm in word which strokes are there? B. B M. B M. So following B also ba sound. So balm. Thick dot. So thick dot indicate. Sha. Sha here. So issue stroke following a sound. So issue writing above the line. So a sound indicated following side thick dot indicated करे तो represented a sound. So issue place sha. So sha. Clear? So stroke key indicated first place thick dot represented a sound. So position of writing what? Above the line. So next stroke second place. Stroke key indicated second place thick dot. Stroke second place thick dot represented a sound. A this like pronunciation how is a long vowel sound. So in Hindi a pronunciation same a any language. So a this like this. So a second place thick dot a sound. So represented a sound. Position of writing what? On the line. On the line. Here touch the line. On the line means touch the line stroke. So let's see examples. So day. Day bole to how is stroke? Stroke is D. So D followed by a sound na. So you don't see a following in day a and y. You only pronunciation you follow that. So which stroke is there? D following a. So here how is writing? D on the line following second place thick dot. D place a. Day. Clear? So in shorthand sound are important. Which pronunciation important? We are writing in shorthand only based on sounds only. So that's it. You don't see a y e l m or like that. So day. Next pay. Pay here p followed by a sound. So pay. Second place thick dot represented a sound. So here writing position of writing on the line. Second place vowel sounds are at that time only on the line. You will write on the line. So paid. Paid means paid. P D here strokes. Strokes important. Pay D. So P followed by a na. So that's why P on the line. Next D. P followed by a sound. So here first place second place third place. Second place में following side है ना P के बाद में आ रहे a. So that's why paid. So next day completed. Okay, next aid. Here stroke is D. Preceding side पहले आ रहे sound. So D will write here पहले indicated preceding side second place thick dot aid like this. Clear? This one. So second place thick dot represented a sound. So position of writing what? On the line. So here like this. So next third place thick dot. Third place thick dot. Third place thick dot represented e sound. E. So second place in Hindi. So E pronunciation is E. Second third place thick dot represented E sound. Position of writing through the line. Through the line means cut the line. And stroke cross the line like this here. So through the line. So let's see example. He sound में आ रहा था how to write through the line strokes. So let's see she how is right she issue following issue stroke is there issue stroke this one. So she issue followed by e sound. So following side. So issue through the line. He means how to write through the line. Third place है ना stroke vowel sound. That's why issue through the line you write. So first place second place third place. So following side A preceding side A following side A. So here indicating third place here third place following side she. Next Re. How to write? Upward R. So R, E. First place, second place, third place. Here E. Following side R. So R following, R after following E side. That's why indicating following side. Indicated third place thick dot. Represented E sound. So R plus E. Re. Next T. T. R है ना, long vowel sound. Long vowels means दीर्घम. So A, E. Here third place thick dot. Which sound? E. So that's why it indicate T. So how to write? T followed by here third place na through the line. So following side T following E. So that's the first place, second place, third place. Following side third place indicated thick dot represented E. So T. Next eat. Eat. How to write? Same T preceding vowel sound. पहले आ रहे vowel. Here following में बाद में here before. So example eat. So how to write? T. So preceding side indicated. E plus T. First any word you write, first stroke you write, then indicated vowel sounds. Clear? Okay. So here you practice that. Each to first thick dot vowel say first place indicated thick dot. A sound. A above the line. So pa, up, pa, up, palm, balm, sha. So day, pay, paid, tarata aid, she, re, tea, eat. So this one, each stroke, this two lines write full page. You will write full page. These two lines full page. These two lines practice full page. You will write practice these two lines, each line first second you write full page. Full page practice.